Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken stock from a rotisserie chicken. First, ensure you have saved the entire carcass and any bits of meat from your cooked chicken. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. You'll also need a large pot, at least 8 quarts, to accommodate all the ingredients comfortably. Now, combine your chicken carcass and chopped vegetables in the large pot. Pour in enough cold water to completely cover everything by about 1 to 2 inches. This ensures proper extraction of flavor. For an even richer taste, add a few bay leaves, some whole peppercorns, and even parsley stems if you have them on hand. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Allow your stock to simmer gently for 2 to 4 hours. Remember, a rolling boil can make it cloudy. Once it is simmered sufficiently, carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard the solids. It's crucial to let the stock cool completely at room temperature before moving to storage. Once your homemade chicken stock is completely cool, you have a couple of storage options. You can refrigerate it in airtight containers for 3 to 4 days, perfect for immediate use. For longer storage, freeze it in freezer-safe bags or containers for up to 6 months. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.